Cleaning gutters is an important part of home maintenance. Clogged gutters can eventually cause water damage and cost you money in the long run. Here's a list of supplies you'll need to clean your gutters. Begin cleaning near a downspout. Place your ladder squarely on level ground before climbing. Use 2 buckets to make the job easier, one for debris, the other for tools. Hook the buckets to your ladder for easy access. Next, clear large debris like leaves and twigs by hand. Then use a trowel or gutter scoop for compacted debris. Next, remove and clean the downspout strainers. Once the large debris is removed, fit your garden hose with a spray nozzle to flush the gutter with water. If the amount of water coming out is less than what's going in, there's a clog. To remove a clog, feed your garden hose up the downspout and turn the water on at full pressure. Once the gutters are clog-free, check for proper flow and drainage. Use the hose to flush the gutters again. This time, look for any leaks at the seams. Then you seal it to make any necessary repairs. If you have any standing water, the gutter is not properly sloped. Detach the hangers, adjust the run, then reattach once the desired slope is achieved. Once the interiors are clean, make sure the gutters are securely attached to the house. While you're at it, inspect all sections and downspouts for damage too. Finally, clean the exterior of the gutters using a pressure washer to remove any mildew and dirt from the gutters. With the right tools, cleaning your home's gutters doesn't have to be a chore. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.